Jisoo made a stunning reappearance at Incheon Airport, en route to Paris for her scheduled activities. Adorned in a captivating full denim dress, this marked her first public appearance since the launch of her agency, Jisoo. The airport terminal was a buzzing hub, teeming with dedicated fans and reporters eager to catch a glimpse of the star. Jisoo graciously engaged with fan sites, interacting warmly with supporters and even extending gestures of kindness, such as distributing oranges to some lucky fans. In an exclusive revelation, Jisoo took a moment to explain the profound meaning behind Jisoo. She unveiled that the logo, resembling a ribbon, symbolizes the wrapping on a gift. The name itself, ingeniously crafted by Jisoo, is a fusion of bliss representing happiness and her endearing nickname. In essence, Jisoo encapsulates the essence of happiness Jisoo, reflecting both her artistic vision and personal joy. The thoughtfulness and creativity behind Jisoo's choice resonate deeply, showcasing not only her artistic prowess but also her distinct ability to infuse her identity into every facet of her brand. As the excitement around Jisoo continues to build, Jisoo takes another groundbreaking step in her journey by announcing the launch of a private fan messenger called Bubble in March. This move comes on the heels of establishing Jisoo, emphasizing Jisoo's commitment to fostering close communication with her global fan base. The Bubble for Jisoo app, operated by Jisoo, is set to debut in March, with expectations running high for Jisoo to potentially break records for the highest number of subscribers per individual artist. Jisoo's CEO, Ahn Jong-ho, highlighted Jisoo's worldwide appeal, anticipating a groundbreaking response from her fans. Jisoo's foray into the private messaging platform Bubble signifies a new era in fan-artist interaction, where the boundaries between celebrities and their followers are blurred. Are you guys excited? Do let me know in comments down below. Also, what caught concerns of fans was the chaotic scenes involved pushing, shoving, and a lack of personal space, leaving fans and the artists visibly distressed. The same happened yesterday with Rosé and today with Jisoo. Fans are expressing growing concern for the safety and privacy of these beloved stars, urging for more respectful behavior. The incidents, occurring on consecutive days, highlight a pressing need for increased awareness and consideration from fans. Meanwhile, Rosé captivated fans as she stepped out of her Parisian hotel on February 26. Adorned in glasses and a simple yet elegant ensemble, the K-pop icon radiated beauty. Witnesses praised her sweet demeanor as she generously signed autographs for adoring fans, proving her genuine affection for them. Fans were quick to express their awe at Rosé's real-life charm, emphasizing that she appeared even more beautiful in person. The singer's selfless act of signing numerous albums, despite not being obligated to do so, showcased her unwavering love for her devoted followers. After enjoying quality time with her friend Johan, Rosé took a moment to connect with fans once more, sharing a captivating picture and bidding them a heartfelt good night. The singer's thoughtful gesture resonated with fans, solidifying her reputation as one of the sweetest personalities in the industry. In a recent article published on February 27 by a prominent website, the achievements of Twice were highlighted, igniting a spirited debate among K-pop enthusiasts. The article not only showcased Twice's remarkable accomplishments but also drew comparisons to Blackpink, inadvertently sparking discussions about a potential replacement. Fans, divided between the two powerhouse girl groups, passionately shared their opinions on social media platforms, fueling the ongoing rivalry. While the article itself remains neutral, questions have arisen regarding the motivations behind its content. Speculations abound, with some suggesting that the writer may have been influenced by JYP Entertainment. Conversely, others speculate that the article may have been wrote by Blackpink hater aiming to downplay Twice's achievements. The possibility of media bias has also been raised, with some fans questioning if the Korean media has an undisclosed agenda in promoting or criticizing Blackpink. Or they're so obsessed with Blackpink they compares every single new group with Blackpink. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in comments. Meanwhile, Blackpink has recently surpassed 347M streams so far in 2024, surpassing NewJeans' 346M streams, as the girl group with the most streams on Spotify for the year despite not having released any official single/album since October 2022. If the legendary quartet of superstars can keep up the high amount of daily streams they're generating through December, this could be their 6th consecutive year with the coveted title of most streamed girl group of the year on Spotify. On the other hand, Blackpink's hit, How You Like That, has surpassed 980M streams on Spotify and is now a few days away from becoming the first Korean song by a K-pop group to achieve 1 billion streams on the history of the platform. When it happens, Blackpink would also make history by being the first K-pop female act to join Spotify's billion stream club. Congratulations to Blackpink.